Welcome to FediBoard, the extension that wakes your Flipboard up. Get ready. This is where the magic really happens. We're about to run live right in front of your eyes a flip campaign and a reflip campaign. Houdini? FediBoard just pulled the rabbit out of the hat. Huge thank you again to Econopass, a real Flipboard power curator, who let us film over their shoulder. This is not a simulation. This is real. But before we wave the wand, let's look at the data. Same Curator account, freshly loaded. Look at this, 102 stories, 71 flipped by the owner, 31 by other curators, 341 notifications, 36 reflips, 15 likes, and 1 new follower just in the last few hours. Stop for a second. This level of precision? Impossible before FediBoard. Impossible. All right, numbers don't flip stories, we do. Let's run our first Copilot Flipper campaign. Go to Tools, click Flipper. Quick but important rule. Flipper only accepts Flip.it URLs. Why? Because Flipboard already validated the story. No spam, no broken links, just clean, eligible content. First, grab the story you want to flip. Generate its Flip.it URL. Simple. Paste it into Flipper. Done. Now, the secret sauce. Select your magazine list, the one you built earlier. Optional but powerful. Add a caption. I'll paste one I like. There. Perfect. Sound alert? Off by default. But let me show you what you'd hear if you turned it on. Ready?
Flip it now!
That's the flip it now sound. Satisfying, right? Is it getting on your nerves? Turn it off. Everything set? Let's launch the Copilot Flipper. Watch, a new window opens. At the bottom, the magazine name. Below it, a progress bar. 7 magazines in this list. We're on number 1. 3 choices. Click Flip to publish, skip, if it doesn't fit, or stop to end the whole campaign. You're in control. Look at the main window. Magazine pre-selected, caption already there. FediBoard prepared everything. 1 click, watch. I'll skip this one. It's the original magazine, doesn't make sense to flip there. Next magazine, and flip. And flip. And flip. And flip. And flip. And flip.
Thanks for using FediBoard Copilot.
Mission complete. That's the sound of victory. Final recap. List name URL flipped. How many flips, how many skips? Total transparency. Close the window, go to campaign history. And there it is. The full log of everything we just did. Neat? I'd say brilliant. Let's do the math. 7 magazines, less than 1 minute. And we weren't even rushing. No overthinking, no wrong magazines, no forgotten lists, no lost track. Just done. Ready for a reflip campaign? Let's do it. First, select the magazine list. Adjust the sound setting. And arm the reflipper. A panel will appear at the bottom of the screen, displaying the magazine list name and the progress of the campaign. Follow the instruction. You must click on the plus sign of the article you wish to reflip. There. Watch. The native reflip window pops up, showing the first magazine of the list pre-selected and the invitation to either skip, stop the campaign, or add into the magazine. Just follow the instructions in the panel and you'll always know where you stand in the campaign. No guesswork, no confusion. We're going to skip this one. Again, the original magazine. Smart move. Here's the beauty. Reflipper knows which story is attached to this campaign. It will open the window automatically for you, for each of the 21 magazines in the list, every single one. Let's now run the campaign full speed till the end. Watch closely. When the search words on top are matching several magazines, you need to select which one to reflip into. In this case, it's the second, as clearly indicated in the panel below. FediBoard tells you exactly what to do.
Thanks for using FediBoard Copilot.
And here is another mission perfectly completed. 18 reflips, 3 skipped, out of a total of 21 magazines. Processed in less than 3 minutes. Again, you don't miss a flip. You can skip one or more for a good curation reason, and you know from the start that the list is right. No second guessing. Let's check. We can see this second campaign recorded in the history section. No more complex Excel sheets, no more handwritten campaign logs on scraps of paper. It's all here, clean, yours, export in CSV. Virtual assistants love this too. It makes their job way easier. Let's step back for a second. We just ran 2 live flipping campaigns back to back. It's easy to configure, easy to process. This is a long-awaited tool for curators, from small magazine owners to very big ones, with 100 magazines or more. Why? Because FediBoard was built for every curator, not just the big players. Everybody needs to admit this tool is made for them. Copilot is here to assist, but it will never flip for you. You are the human curator. You make the call. Copilot just cleared the path, removed the friction, let you focus on what matters, curation. In our next video, we will cover the fantastic Fediverse Boost feature. It will be live again. Don't miss it. Till then, happy flipping. Ciao!